Hello everyone. So the module called Sales Order Double Verification will help user to set double approval where two different people will authorize the transaction. For example, if the cashier create a POS order and validate it, it will go to the validation for manager. So for this, let's go to point of sale. Here in the configuration settings, you will have a field which is POS sales order double verification. Into this, you will have two fields, order validation header and order limit validation. So here in the order validation header, you will add a person who will be manager who will approve and validate the orders. And here in the order limit validation, you will give limit to other users who are creating order, and it will set a limit that is if the year or a user is creating two order, then he cannot proceed with the third order until and unless the two order are validated by the manager. Once you have saved all these configuration, let's move ahead, and here you have another configuration which you need to enable, which is multi-employee per session. Here you will add allow user. Once you have done all of this, let's save this out. So once you save this out, let's to go to point of sale. And so now let's select a cashier. Here I will create one or two orders. So let me do the payment. I will select the cashier and add. Let's do this again. And I will add the payment over here. Now as we have created two orders, it will not allow me to create the third one. As you can see, the order limit is given. You have reached maximum limit of invalid orders. Please contact cashier to validate it. So for this, let's quickly go in the backend. Over here in the backend, let's go into orders. So here, as you can see, we have created two orders, this one and the other one, which is this one. So with the name, with the cashier name as Anita. So as you can see, we have one field over here, which is validated order. So if this field is ticked, then the order is validated. So as of now, this order is not validated. So now let's go again to the front end of the POS session and validate those orders. So as you can see, we have added demo admin, so he can only approve and validate the order. So let's log in from the same. So here in the demo admin, as you can see here you will see a review button. So here in the review, you will get all the order details. So these are the three order which are created by those cashiers, the salesperson. So here you can simply select over and verify. So once you have verified this, okay, so once you have verified this, let's go into backend and see if we have validated those orders or not. So let's go into orders. Here, as you can see, the order is validated and this is enabled. So those order which are validated will have this tick mark. So let's go again, and now you will be able to create more order as Anita salesperson because the orders are validated. So now the person will be able to create more orders. So this is how this module will help you to give more security on the order creation and approval by the manager who is validating the orders. If you have any query, please write down your query in comment section below. Also, do not forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.